Ready to access your Schoology student account and stay organized with your schoolwork? Dive into this step-by-step tutorial for an easy guide on logging into Schoology in 2024. Whether you're checking assignments, collaborating with classmates, or accessing learning materials, Schoology has you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter app.schoology.com into the address bar to access the website. On the open page, enter your username or email address here. Below, enter your password and click on the Log In button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. For SSO login, you can click here. Additionally, you can also log in by scanning the QR code. You can click on this button for that. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your courses, assignments, grades, and more. Stay organized and on top of your schoolwork with Schoology. Remember to log out of your account when you're done to keep your information secure. That's it. You're all set to navigate Schoology like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.